Alright, let's go ahead and see the type of the machine learning. So we have three major type of the machine learning: unsupervised learning, supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. There are fourth type of the machine learning, which is called the semi-supervised learning. So you can say that that falls somewhere here. So in case of the unsupervised learning, you have your data, but you do not have any target labels there. And some of these algorithms are kind of the task which you perform with the unsupervised learning, like the clustering, dimensionality reduction. Thereafter, you have supervised learning, in which these two major type of the problems are there which you solve, like a classification task. In earlier lecture, I told you that if you want to classify the type of the plant with the image, that comes as the classification. But if you try to find out the stock market price or house prices or anything you want to predict as the continuous value, then that comes as the regression. So where you make the forecasting, process optimizations, new insights, all these things. In classification, some of these things comes like fraud detection, image classification, a customer retention techniques like whether the customer will churn out or not, and the diagnostics, something like whether the cancer is there or not based on the image or some other input parameters. Then in case of the reinforcement learning, you have some of these tasks which you can perform with the reinforcement learning. So what is the reinforcement learning? In reinforcement learning, your machine learning model do not have any target label once again, but machine learning model automatically try to use the trial and the error to learn from their mistakes, and it optimize its decision. For example, if you leave a robot into a room, so the robot will make a few mistakes while learning the room surface area and the environments inside the room. Thereafter, the robot will automatically learn everything from their mistakes. So that's the particular task with the reinforcement learning. Then you have the skill acquisitions, learning task, game AI, and the real-time decisions. In the coming lectures, we will be seeing these as the detailed the slides for the unsupervised, supervised, and the reinforcement learning. All right, I'll see you in next lesson.